Boost your fulfillment line efficiency, accuracy, and sustainability by automating your packing slip and shipping label processes with Fox4 technologies. Fox4 offers 3 different integrated system configurations to easily automate this process. First is Fox4's patented TwinPrint dual-sided label print and apply. The TwinPrint prints both the shipping label and packing slip onto one unique label and applies it automatically to the shipping container. The visible top side of the label is printed with the shipping information, while the packing slip information is printed on the concealed label liner underneath. The data for the shipping label and packing slip are paired, so there are never any information mismatch errors. Additionally, because the label liner is repurposed for use as the packing slip, up to 55% of the label liner is removed from the waste stream. Because of the unique label format, the TwinPrint Print and Apply also eliminates large, full-page packing slips, plastic packing slip envelopes and their backing liner, and any labor to fold and stuff the envelope. The TwinPrint system is ideal for most fulfillment processes. The second configuration for automating your packing slip and shipping labeling includes the Fox4 Quick Slip Print and Apply, along with the traditional label print and apply system. The Quick Slip is similar to the TwinPrint in that it prints a concealed packing list on the label liner and applies it to the shipping containers. However, the top side of the Quick Slip label is pre-printed with bold lettering to identify it as the packing slip. These labels can be customized with company logos or contact information. For the shipping label, a traditional label printer-applicator prints the shipping information onto the label and applies it as a separate label to the shipping container. The result is 2 separate labels on the container. This configuration is an excellent choice for full case shipping, so that the case does not have to be opened to insert a packing slip, for fulfillment lines that may have already automated the shipping label process but not the packing slip process, and for companies that want to make the packing slip stand out. With the Quick Slip configuration, you receive the same sustainable, cost-saving benefits as with the TwinPrint. The third automation configuration features the Fox4 packing slip inserter and a traditional label printer-applicator. As with the Quick Slip configuration, the label printer-applicator prints and applies the shipping label to the outside of the shipping container. However, with this option, the big difference is the packing slip automation process. Instead of printing a packing slip label and applying it to the outside of the shipping container, a tag is printed with the packing slip information, cut and inserted into the open shipping container prior to sealing. This process reduces the cost of the packing slip itself, since a thinner, unlined material with no material gaps is used. Additionally, the packing slip length can be varied within limits to use the material more efficiently. The Fox4 packing slip inserter would be placed prior to the shipping container being sealed or closed, and the shipping label print and apply would follow the closing sealing process. One of the key components to the success of any automated shipping label or packing slip project is the software integration, getting the correct matching information to the equipment. Fox4's in-house software engineering group can assist with the data transfer process through WMS, WCS, or ERP systems, or design a standalone station specific to your line requirements. If you are ready to improve your fulfillment line efficiency, accuracy, and sustainability with packing slip and shipping label automation, contact Fox4 at www.fox4.com or 1-877-436-2434 with your application requirements.